Hello guys, today I've got the MARSHALL Heston 60 and I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application with your MARSHALL Heston 60 soundbar. It was actually very difficult to come up with it because it didn't work for me, and if it doesn't work for you either, I will guide you through this. At first, open the Play Store, then head to Search. Type Marshall and scroll down till you see Marshall application right here. Hit install button and wait a moment. Here, tap open. Wait till the intro goes off actually. Tap next. Here you can skip the newsletter, skip the analytics, and as you can see here we've got add new device. Tap it and grant the permission to determine the position of nearby devices. Now what I do recommend to do is to hold the source button on your speaker for 10 seconds to perform a factory reset. Now the factory reset is done. If it works, if you tap adding a device, and if it works with the Wi-Fi setup, everything is okay. But if it doesn't work, perform a factory reset. It didn't want it to work for me. It didn't want to work for me. I have no idea why, but it didn't work. Now we are after the factory reset. Let's tap adding a device. Here we've got our Heston 60. We can tap add, start Wi-Fi setup, and as you can see here we've got Bluetooth pairing request. Tap it, and here we've got successfully added. Tap the stick icon, and now I've got connect to Wi-Fi. Looking for Wi-Fi networks. It shouldn't take long because I am connected to some Wi-Fi network right now, but our speaker is not, so this may be the issue. As you can see here, I've got our Wi-Fi networks. I actually recommend to select the same and that you are connected with your phone. So this is this one. You can tap show here and you need to enter the passwords to your Wi-Fi network. For me it's this one. Tick icon, continue, and wait a moment. Now we can tap continue. We can here rename our device, continue, and now we need to update our firmware. So tap update firmware, and this should take 10 minutes. So actually you can now just leave it as it is. Don't close the app, don't do anything. As you could see, this should take up to 10 minutes. So let's wait. As you can see here, we've got now our firmware update done. Here we've got the Google Cast. You can set it up afterwards. But as you can see here, we've got everything set up. Goodbye.